Hi guys, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the reading for the Capricorns and for the month of May 2020. I hope you like this reading. First, most important thing guys for you is that yes, if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the donation link is given in the description box below. If via PayPal and Google Pay you can donate. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing guys is that if you want to help us with 10 days tarot learning online workshop, you will even get certificates from our firm. Okay, so you can enroll us. The details are given in the description box below. You can learn how to read tarot cards. Okay, and last but not the least, I want to tell you that if you want to be a part of Vasol giveaway, hashtag Vasol giveaway for the month of May, and the winners will be announced in the month of June, in the first week of June. So all you have to do is like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasol Tarot Prediction, kindly comment hashtag Vasol giveaway, and send me the screenshots on the Gmail ID given in the description box below. Okay, yes, and we have started live sessions on my Facebook page Vasol Tarot Prediction between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So if you really want to come and join my live sessions, you can. You are most welcome between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. daily from Monday to Sunday. So there will be talking about water sign, fire sign, air sign, and yes, earth signs. Okay, and general energies for all the zodiacs. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. What is coming up? I know Capricorns, in your love life is going on okay, but you are more concerned about your finances. That I got to know from your previous reading. So let's check out what's coming up for you in the career life. Okay, so what's going on with you? Okay, so yeah. So there in the past I'm taking out three cards: the World, the Star, and the King of Swords. Okay, the World. Let me clarify the World. Okay. In the past, you were trapped into your head. Okay, when it comes to money related things, finances. Okay, because you were more focused on your, I think, relationships. Okay, so yeah, you were confused, you were trapped which way to go, how to proceed further, and yeah, what sort of opportunity you want into your life. Okay, yeah, so I feel some sort of ending took place in the past. Okay, ending in the sense there's a world card, that means ending of a bad cycle or a situation. That means if your money were stuck up, okay, about something, your finances were stuck up, okay, you weren't able to study well in your career, things were not going on that smooth as you felt. Okay, so some sort of ending is taking place for you guys. Okay, yes, so you wanted big opportunities. Okay, but there was a stuck energy. Opportunities were not coming in front of you. Okay, so and either if opportunities were coming, you were stuck up that whether to accept or not, and there might be few external forces which were not allowing you to get into that opportunity. You were still hoping for that, making a stable career related life. Okay, for you. So yes, so let's check it out what's there into your present situation. The Star, you are going through a lot of healing because an end of a cycle took place. Okay, so currently you are healing, hoping, believing, having a positive hope when it comes to King of Pentacles, career related things, materialistic world, focusing on your finances a lot, focusing on your studies a lot, focusing on your money a lot, how to gain that financial freedom, that stable career which you ultimately want. Okay, so presently you are going through some healing, and that's why you are no more indecisive. You know what you have to do. Okay, so you are no more confused about it. you're clear in your head, but yeah, that blindfold which you had in the past when it comes to career related thing, it has been removed. Okay, so you can see this two of swords. Okay, you're gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to your taking decisions, thinking about your taking decisions, gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to your stable and career related life. Yes, ace of cups, that means gaining a lot of clarity, and when it comes to career related things, and also opportunities, a lot of opportunities when it comes to new beginning. Okay, there might be few singles, for singles, whosoever is single out there in, Capricorns. Okay, so an opportunity of love, in and a new beginning might be taking place for you guys. Okay, but for others of you, I am doing a general career reading. Okay, so yes, a lot of opportunity when it comes to your career related thing, opportunity when it comes to your project, new beginning in your project, new beginning in your finances, ending of some old cycle when your finances, you used to do a lot of hard work. Okay, but the money you used to get, you weren't satisfied with it. Okay, so ending of all this, bad karmic situation is happening. You have went through a lot of sleepless night, anxiety issues, thinking, contemplating about your career life, but you are no more doing it because you are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to your career related thing. Okay, so yeah, you want to move forward into your life, you are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to what is that one particular thing that you want from your life. Okay, and you are going forward towards it. No more indecisiveness. There was a past where you were very indecisive, that whether you want to choose this career or that career, how you want to proceed further, but you are no more indecisive because you are gaining a lot of clarity into that. Yeah, leap of faith, taking a leap of faith, taking an action towards a new beginning when it comes to your career related thing. Okay, you are currently healing, hoping, and going through some a lot of internal transformation is taking place for you guys. Internal healing, internal transformation is taking place for you guys. Okay, so which is the best part, because very less people go through that process. Okay, yes, so that internal healing and internal transformation is really helping you out. Okay, so yes, the chariot, you are just stuck up in the immediate future. You will feel, that you are stuck up, you are not feeling victorious, so some sort of sadness, some sort of, that one unfulfilled desire, if we say. Okay, so that is still there when it comes to your career related thing, that wish fulfillment is not there. Okay, so yeah, in the immediate future, I feel some sort of opportunity might be coming to your place when it comes to a collaboration, a partnership. Okay, when it comes to your career related thing, finances. Okay, yeah, wish fulfillment is there in the upcoming weeks. See, this is what I was talking about, 9 of cups. Wish fulfillment is there, guys, for you guys. That's so cool. Wish fulfillment, wow. See, going for a new direction, evaluating the pros and cons, taking the wise decision, and moving forward in a new direction. That's the best part. Okay, yeah, healing, hoping, believing, you know and there are, I feel, this is a, whenever I see Queen of Cups, this always shows me motherly energy. So there might be your parents who will be supporting you with your decision in your finances or in your career life. Okay, you are a lot more focused into your career, might be studies, might be career, might be money. Okay, so anything, career means career overall. Okay, so yeah, so getting a, you are getting a spiritual guidance. Okay, God is helping you spiritually to move forward. Yeah, standing into your own power in the immediate future, gaining a lot of clarity. Yes, feeling victorious in the upcoming weeks. Okay, you will be victorious, and you will be taking action towards your dreams, towards your unfulfilled desires, and you will be feeling victorious even if you take an action. Okay, so yeah, some sort of an offer might be coming into your life when it comes to opportunities, new possibilities, new beginnings. When it comes to your finances, some sort of job might be coming to you. Job offer might be coming into your life. There will be some few of the people who will be thinking to start up with a business, okay, leaving a job, starting a business. So that might be happen for few of you, okay. So yeah, you won't be feeling lonely, depressed, sad anymore in the immediate future, okay, because yeah, wow. There might be few of the singles, yeah, so two people might be coming together with a spiritually guided reunion. Spiritually guided union will take place for you guys, for the people who are, married and separated, who are into a relationship but no communication, but and the people who are single and hoping for a new relationship. So some sort of a spiritual connection is coming into your life also, okay. Yeah, you will be gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to your power, taking your own power, okay. There's a death happening in the past. Healing hoping is going on in the present, and in the upcoming future rebirth is happening for you guys, okay. So let it heal, I feel that allow it to happen, okay. Do not restrict your cycles, allow it to happen for sure, okay. So 8 of Pentacles, yeah, you will be working hard towards it. I feel, you are not working that much hard in the present or the past situation, so you need to focus on your hard work for sure. Don't go for smart work. You have to, think about your finances, building up your finances, and think about working hard, which you are not doing, okay. Moving forward when it comes to your upcoming life, gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to your finances, career, money, abundance. No more holding back when it comes to your 4 of Pentacles, okay. So yeah, see, there's a Moon card. No more thinking about it, just taking an action towards it. No more, like you will be gaining a lot of clarity, okay. Long-term spiritual connection, this is for the person who are into relationship or who wants a spiritual reunion. So yeah, I feel, love and career are going on parallelly. For two energies are there. There is one part who is thinking about their career, finances. There's another part who is thinking to get into a relationship, or else if they are already married, they are into a separation, so to get a reunion, reconciliation, or else a long-term relationship. So we are dealing with two types of energies, because both sort of energies I'm getting, okay. Releasing a lot of hermit situation, okay. So yes, that's the best part, guys, okay. So yeah, let's take a check out one universal message which universe wants to talk about, okay. Take it however it resonates, because I am dealing with two energies here, okay. So yes, because this is a general energy. Wow, the people who are single, and I'm talking about commitment. So there is long-term commitment, reconciliation, reunion might be taking place for you guys. And for finances, let's check out one message for the career and finances, for the people who are dealing with career and finances, okay. So yes, yes guys, so there's 10 of Pentacles. That means stability is coming. You just need to work hard when it comes to your stability. There's a stable life, stable profession, stable career, okay. Just keep on doing that hard work, and you will be earning good income, and abundance will be coming into your way for sure, guys, okay. So thank you so much, Capricorns. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasol Tarot Prediction. Thank you so much, guys.